Hi, everybody. Today we're going to learn the basic functionality of Mural. Imagine Mural as a giant flip chart that allows you to get people to experience the same interactive experience that they would do in an in-person visit. So let's start and share the screen. And this would be the landing page when you access with your credentials to Mural. And basically here you can create a new mural, and by clicking, then you have a number of pre-made templates here on the left. You can find anything in here, but I prefer to use a blank mural. So blank mural, you click on it and then create mural. So now it has created your new mural. You can give it a name here. So you click in there and you write, I don't know, Nicola's test. If you go back, then you can see there's a new mural, Nicola's test. And if you have made a mistake, you can click here where the little arrow is, and you can share, duplicate, move, archive, rename, or even delete. So let's go back on our new mural. And here on the left, so this is the key to go back. And here you have a number of icons. And for instance, the first one allows you to manage text. So you click on it, as I did, and then you can have a title. And you see, as soon as you click on it, the title appears on the mural. Or you can click on the text box, and here you have a text box in the same place. If you want to move it, you just go on over it and then pick and drag. You see? And then you can create a Post-it of different colors in the same way. So you click, and then you pick and drag your Post-it. You also have shapes and connectors here that will work in the same way. So you click on it, it's produced here, and you click on the border and you move it, and you add the text. Okay. You also have icons. You have a long list of icons here. You can scroll down, and there's a very big list. And there's also a search function here. You have frameworks to create boundaries inside the mural, and so on. So you see there are a lot of tools here. Now let's clean up a bit. So basically you click on it and then you click cancel, and whatever you have produced disappears. Okay, so let's create an area in this mural, and we use the Freeform area, for instance. As soon as you click on the Freeform, then the Freeform appears, and you can give it a name. So if we imagine the 4D model, so the first one would be discover. Then you can create another one, dream. Then you can create another one. And to move, you see it has appeared here in the bottom right. Okay. To move there, you have two options. Either you pick and drag from the mural, like this, you see. Or you use this area here, which is very, very useful to navigate on the mural. You see here there's a purple area, which indicates on the mural what you are seeing on the screen. So you see, you can see discover and dream. If you go in this area, you see it changes color. It becomes brighter. And you pick and drag the purple area, and you pull it down, and you see that you see a different part of the screen. So now you can go back to the mural and give a name to the unnamed area. So we were missing design, and the last one, deliver. Okay. Now you see, now it looks like a mess. So another thing you can do with this area, you basically zoom in and zoom out. So if you zoom out, you start seeing everything much better. So you can take the dream one and move it. Then you can take the deliver and move it. Also, always with the pick and drag. And then the design one as well. Pick and drag. So you have the four areas of the 4D model. If you zoom in, so you see here the purple, it shows what you actually see on the screen. Here with this you can close the frameworks because we don't need it anymore. And so we can decide to zoom in now because it's all nice and clean. So you zoom in, you see you can't see part of it. So again, you go in the area, you pick and drag, and you can see all of them now. Okay. What you can do is to say you want to have a coaching session, and you want to have this as a predefined outline. So you can click on the area that you want to be first in the in the outline. And then you do right click. And you see here, you can add this area to outline. Okay, and you see it has appeared here. Then you can put dream as the second step of your outline. And then deliver. And then design. So here you have your outline ready. So when you go into the mural, you just need to click on number 1, and it will focus directly on the discover. Click on number 2, it will focus on dream, and so on. Deliver and design. Okay. So if we stay on design, for instance, I click on the boundary, and you right click, and you can say, you see there are a number of instructions that you can apply. The most interesting one is the duplicate. You can also remove from the outline. And you can also edit, you can copy as text, but we will look at these later. So you are in the design phase. And of course, you can use this outline also for our workshops. You can put different steps of the workshops and basically have your order of activities set up in advance. So you want to write something under design. A simple way to write a Postit is just double-click in the area. So you see, I double-click in the area, and then you write, I don't know, action 1. And then double-click again, action 2, and so on, action 3. What you can do on the Postit is increase the font with these two, or decrease. You can change the text format. You can create borders, and you can change color. So action 1 could be pale green, action 2 could be blue, action 3 could be red. Then what you can do is, in case you, by chance, you write an action here. So like here, you write, I don't know, this color, action 4. What you can do is to increase the size of the area until it is in, until the Postit is in. And then you see with this, with this one, you absorb the Postit. So when you when you pick and drag the whole area, the Post-it, you see, moves together with the area. Now, what do we want to see now? So we've seen the outline. We can close the outline. And this is the end of part 1.